spy with my little eye, I spy the sun in the sky. I hear the wind in the trees, I hear the buzzing of bees. Where are we, do you know? In the wood where stories grow. Whisper foxtails, open trees, softly, softly, this way, please. Lift up the latch and open the gate. Knock on the door, you won't have to wait. Grandpa Fox has a tale to tell. Come inside and listen well to fox tales.
Hello, I'm making a stew. I love stew, don't you? Now, don't think we'll have this in it. I love carrots, though. Parsnips, yummy. Put it all in the pan. Potatoes. There. Right, now, sit. I'll put it all on the stove. There we go. I'd better keep my eye on it, because sometimes, my dear, stews have a trick of disappearing. Yes. Yes. I'll give you a for instance. Just let me settle down. Now then, it has to do with dear Mrs. Fox. Just imagine, it was like this. One day, Mrs. Fox was looking around for something tasty to eat. When she smelled the most delicious, mouth-watering, gooey and chewy smell, it came wafting through the trees, wrapping itself around the bushes, oozing through the very grass at her feet. It was so tempting, it made Mrs. Fox's head go all dizzy. Oh, whatever it is, I must have it. And do you know what it was? It was Mr. Wolf's dinner.
Gooey, yummy stew, unchy, munchy, chop and chew. Lick, lick, eat it quickly, and don't leave a bone for anyone else to pick. Ooh.
Hello, Mr. Wolf. What is it you're eating? Would you share it?
No, go away. I'm not sharing my dinner with you. You're always tricking me.
I don't want your dinner anyway. It smells yuck.
Go away, you trickster.
Bye-bye.
And good riddance.
But, my dears, could Mrs. Fox go away? Could she? When the stewy smells just glued her to the ground. And her ears twitched when she heard Wolf's munching sound. And her tummy rumbled hungrily. Quick, she must think of a trick. Aha, the tree. That will do it. That tree will trick him out of his supper.
Go, yummy stew, unchy, munchy, chop and chew. Lick, eat it quick, don't leave a bone for anyone else to pick. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, mine alone. I'm not sharing it with that stupid fox. Oh, lovely stew.
Oh, help! Help, someone! Help!
What's happening?
Help, someone, help!
you again. I told you to go away.
But I was, honestly, Mr. Wolf. But how could I? See? This tree, it started to shake, and it started to creak. And if I didn't hold it for you, it would have fallen straight on top of you and flattened you, flat as a pancake, Mr. Wolf. Yes, true, as I am a fox.
Flat as a pancake.
Yes.
Well, thank you for keeping me safe. Now I can have my dinner in peace again. Lovely.
Help! 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 I can't hold this tree up much longer.
No?
No, it's very heavy. Soon I'll have to let go. And it'll fall on you, and you will be truly flattened. Yes, and splattered.
Oh, Whiskers, what can I do? I don't want to be splattered. Oh, help!
Well, come and help me hold it then, Mr. Wolf. Come and help me. Look, just hold it, just here.
There?
Yes, there. That's it. That's very good. Now, just make sure you push hard.
Yes, my smelly whiskers.
Yes, that's right, dear. Hold tight.
Push hard, you say?
That's right, dear. Trouble is, now I'm all tired from all that straining. I must allow myself a little sustenance. Very nice.
My dinner!
Careful, hold the tree.
My dinner.
Yes. Your dinner is very tasty. Delicious.
Look, my dinner!
Don't forget, if you leave go, the tree will fall. Yum-a-dee-doo, Mr. Wolf stew, munchy, munchy, chomp and chew, lick, lick, eat it quick. Don't leave anything for Mr. Wolf to pick. That's it. Well, it was a gourmet meal, truly. Thank you for holding the tree, and thank you for such a delectable supper. Bye.
Wait a minute, Mrs. Fox. Don't go away.
Don't you remember telling me to go away when you didn't want to share your supper? Well, now you can hold the tree up all by yourself.
Oh, desperations. My arms are aching. Spiffs and bothers. I can't hold it up any more. By my handsome belly button, it'll splatter me. Oh, the tree's not falling. I've been tricked. Oh, 50,000 puppy tails. Mrs. Fox tricked me out of my dinner. She always tricks me, that fox. Fancy believing the tree was falling. Silly me.
My dears, Mrs. Fox's tummy was very full when she went home that evening. Delicious. And Mr. Wolf contemplated his empty pot and thought,
Leathery bother-rooms, paws and claws, furry chins and half-empty bellies, 50,000 smelly whiskers and hairy nostrils. One day I'll pay that fox back. Just see if I don't.
it's a good thing no one ate my stew. Oh, I should think it's ready by now. Let's see. Yes, it over here. Let's see. Delicious. Can you remember that song? Sing it with me. Chomp chew, yummy stew, unchy, munchy, chomp and chew. Lick, lick, eat it quick, and don't leave a bone for anyone else to pick. Yes, lovely. Very good. Bye-bye.
And come back soon.